Hello, and welcome back to my channel. This week we're doing Italy, and I'm so excited to try these recipes. I have a few Italians in my life, so I hope I make you proud. You know who you are. The recipe for today is risotto, and yeah, let's get cooking. So this recipe is from Avantgardevegan, and I usually say like it's from Gaz, almost like he's my homie. But anyway, get a pumpkin, cut it up. I've got some shallots, cut those up, get some garlic, mash that, and I'm putting in some grapeseed oil. First things first, you know the drill, let's build those flavors. First it's the shallots and then the garlic. Next I'm going in with some salt and pepper. Alright, what I want you to do, listen up closely, take a timestamp, make a mental note. This is when the risotto rice goes in, and it's gonna be a while. Next I'm adding a cup of vegan friendly white wine and just mixing it up to let everything marry together. I'm going to be adding vegetable stock as I go along, and poof, we've noticed now on the left hand side that the pumpkin is done and it is ready. But this is a labor of love. It's going to take a while, it's going to take patience, but you know what, beyond patience is fulfillment. So you just need to keep your eye on it and keep mixing, keep adding the vegetable stock. So once you feel like, you know what, this is a good consistency and it's well cooked, you're going to add the pumpkin. And we both know that that looks glorious. So add it in and mix it up, and the color is going to change into that popping yellow. Add some salt and some pepper. And mix that up. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and that's going to just add that super cheesy flavor that you will learn to love. Don't that look good? Dish up and put it to the side while you get ready to add the other elements to this great risotto. Next, you're going to put grapeseed oil into a little saucepan and fry the sage leaves until they're nice and crispy. Get some paper towel and drain the oil off them once they're done, and you're good to go. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished the recipe, and some people say it's with all the trimmings, the eggplant bacon and the fried sage leaves. So here we go. Yo. That boy Gaz knows what he's talking about. Ooh, let me try with the sage. Come through. Wow. Win, 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 win. Win, win. I can't stop. It's so good. Everything is just so delicious. It's so creamy, even though there's no dairy in there. The nutritional yeast just really adds an extra flavor, which I really do enjoy. I'm so happy I tried this recipe. It's definitely going in the book of wins. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you soon. Blessings galore. Bye bye.